chemistry is boring, every subject is boring because we see or we learn the subject that way. There is a topic called benzene and aromaticity in organic chemistry, and we can understand this concept very interestingly by making some interesting creative stories and things. Today I'm going to make initiation in that topic by just introducing to you what is this, what I want to say. Say we want to understand aromaticity. So instead of thinking, regular way like what is aromaticity definitions and other things, what we are going to study is aromaticity, but not in a usual way. We are going to see this by this concept called, story making concept. Here, I made this picture, a very rough picture, but you have to understand like this. There is a castle, there is a kingdom, or there is a land called Aromaticity land or Aromaticity kingdom. There is a king. The king is called Benzene, and there is a, as like in any other place, any kingdom, there is a castle or palace. So there is a palace, and it is having entry. So if you want to enter in this palace of these molecules called aromaticity kingdom land, you have to be aromatic. Now what we are going to understand actually how it is working. So it's like this kingdom is having this gate, and you or any molecule want to enter cannot enter unless having some characteristic, because this gate is having some characteristic. So what is that? It is gate is not regular gate, it's not door, it's not regular door, it's like so very flat like slit, and only flat molecules are allowed to pass through this slit. So when we are studying the aromaticity, the first point is that it should be flat structure, cyclic structure, flat structure. Imagine there are soldiers who are guarding this gate. They first look the molecule from the top side, because they stood on that position. So they see that whether it is cyclic or not. So first checking, what they are checking, is it cyclic, the molecule entering in this castle, is it cyclic? If it is cyclic, then they just passes that message that it is a cyclic compound is coming. Now this molecule or any molecule want to enter, first they identify they are cyclic. So okay, then the gate is such that the door is such that only the flat molecules are allowed to pass through this gate. Now this is possible in case of the flat molecules like benzene and other aromatic molecules. So the gate is second barrier, second checking point. So it's a cyclic. It's okay. And it's a flat. Then when the molecule enter, it does not mean that any molecule is cyclic and a flat is aromatic. So when they enter, there are other security guards, and what they are doing, they are checking a number of electrons that a molecule is having. So they have counting system, and their counting system is like this: 2, 6, 10, 14. They don't count like 1 2 3 4 or 0 1 2 3 4 or 2 2 twice 4, like that. They count only this: 2, 6, 10, 14 and further. Now, why they count like this? Because in their life there is only one formula like this for counting. So they only count this, and if any molecule having this kind of pi electrons, they allow them to enter in their castle, in their palace. So the security guard, which is checking the molecule who passed two system. One is cyclic by soldiers, then they enter through the gate because they are flight. Then the guards, they are seeing the molecule is having delocalized, I mean rotating pi electrons, and they are seeing that they are 4n plus 2. So this way it is possible to make the thing interesting. So you can imagine this, you can increase the imagination, and you can remember this Haeckel rule by imagining this system this way. The further points, like some other things related to chemistry, I will be explaining later in my short videos. Thank you for now.